Hello everyone, so in today's video I just want to show you an interesting thing about Citrix Profile Management. So it seems that from version 2.5.07 Citrix has enabled accelerated folder mirroring by default, and this means that when a user logs in, he automatically will create an VHDX file on your profile shares, which is pretty big. It's around 200 megabytes, and yeah, maybe you do not want this, and this video is good for you in case you are planning to install the latest profile management version, so that you know that this will be enabled by default and it will create a lot of data on your shares, and if you do not have sufficient, it can be a problem. So they are saying here that it was enabled, or it's starting with Citrix Profile Management 2.5.07, but personally I didn't see this in 2.5.07. I only saw this being enabled in 2.5.07 C1, so the latest update, or at least I don't remember seeing this in the first release. So let me show you how it looks like and how you can disable it if you do not want this to be enabled by default. So where am I? So I have here my my storefront. If I log in with the user, open a desktop, it should start pretty fast. Okay, Citrix Profile Management, applying policies, permit use. Okay, so this is fine. It worked. Now we need to see how the profile is looking like. So this is the profile. This is my share, and normally we would see in our we are used to see those folders. So this mirroring folder is new, and if we go inside of it, we can see that it generated two big files, at least for an environment where you have thousands of users. If each profile gets an extra 200 megabytes, then you need a lot of storage. And yeah, it's enabled by default, and yeah, in my case I do not want this to happen, and I want to disable it. So let's see, let's go back to the article, and we have here the instructions on how to do it. So it's under Profile Management, File System and Synchronization, and it's called Accelerated Folder Mirroring. Okay, let me go to my not to this one. Let me go and edit the GPO. So this configuration will be configured under computer content, not under user contents, and this is my policy. And let's just edit it. So as in this article, Citrix was saying we should go under Citrix Profile Management, and I already forgot file system synchronization here. Okay, accelerated folder mirroring. It's not configured, no, but it is enabled by default. So let's see, does it say without this policy for mirroring? Okay, enabling it. Okay, but we want to disable it. Click apply and okay. Now we should go on the VDA. We should refresh the policies, or maybe it's better if I just reboot it. Let me sign out. And let's just restart it because it doesn't take too much. We just need to wait a couple of seconds, not minutes, because it is pretty fast. Where is it on? Box 01. Yes, of course. Root. And the password. By the time I'm getting there, it's probably up. VDA 01. No, it's still rebooting, and we have to wait until it's up. And I want to see. It's good that we done a test login, because if I go now to my profile, okay, so this is my user and the profile looks like this. I'm curious is if we disabled it, if that goes away now when we relog in. If that doesn't go away, we have to delete this folder from each user profile, which is not nice. Okay, let's see how fast can this machine register. Where is it? Web Studio. Oh, not user 01. Okay, machine catalogs, this one. Okay, so it's back online, it's registered. Okay, we can start the VDA. Okay, log in again, of course. I need to change those timers, they're too fast. So let's start again the same VDA with the same user, so it's user 01. But let's see what happens to the profile if we disabled that that setting. Permit. Okay. Okay, let's check out the profile. Do a quick refresh. No, the files are still there. So if this happened to you and your storage is full, you will need to remove everything, which is not okay. Okay, let me try to make sure that the policy works. Let me connect storefront 01. Let me connect from storefront 02 with another user. Skip, and let's say user 02. Logon. Yeah, save. And desktops, and let's start the same desktop, but with a different user, and this user should no longer get that how is it called, mirroring, permit use, accelerated folder mirroring. Okay, let's go on the share user 02 properties. Okay, it didn't log in. Refresh. 0. Continue. Okay, 600 kilo. So there is a big difference between 200 megabytes and both profiles are clean. So no, they didn't have any data, anything. So there's a big difference. Let me sign out both of them so that the sync can be done. Sign out. And sign out. Okay. Let me also check the redirect. 01. Oh, come on. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so this is the normal size of a blank profile. It's 5 megabyte. I told in the first part of the video that it's 30 or 40. I didn't remember. Nevertheless, the size difference is huge because that VHDX file is getting in the way. Now let's also delete this. So I deleted it. Let's see if my user encounters any issues. It shouldn't, because we disabled that. So user 02, where is user 01? User 01, okay. Oh my god, let's log on. Yes. Permit use. Okay, so I'm logged back in, just waiting to see if I get any errors, but I shouldn't. And let's go back to the profile, share. Let's refresh. And let's check out the size. Yeah, 23 megabytes. So this is the normal size. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if this helped you. And one more time, this only comes in handy if you do not want this accelerated folder mirroring to be enabled by default. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.